Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing my first Beauty Pie order. So in this video we're going to open this box. I'll take you through my purchases, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see what I think these items from Beauty Pie are dupes for, because generally that's what I get the impression from the website, is that it's a website of dupes, things made to the same quality as other products with half the price tag. Considering they compare them on the website to the price of a full-priced luxury item, they must be dupes for something. So let's get into this. I've zoomed you out as far as I can zoom out. This box is pretty big. I would say it's probably about 30 centimetres square. That's nice. It's pie day. Don't forget to post your pie. I'm not. Oh, it's a post-it note. That's cute. Okay, I remember what I ordered now. I couldn't really remember what I ordered. So this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. This is a super healthy hair treatment, intensive repair treatment for damaged hair. I totally need that. And to be fair, my order is very skincare based. Japan Fusion Hydra Prep Lotion Skin Soothing Moisture Accelerator. Oh, that looks nice. I ordered some organic cleansing exfoliating cloths because I just have flannels and they're cheap and nasty, and I wanted some nice ones. Oh, they're quite, oh, they're soft. Oh, they're really soft. Also, don't you get fed up of like just piling through muslin cloths when the outer side of this can do a very similar job? Again. Also, perhaps, is this not a makeup bag waiting to happen? Wonder Scrub Face Polish. Biodermabrasion Face Polish with fruit enzymes and volcanic lava spheres. Nice. And I was quite excited about these, if I'm honest, because actually when I saw them on the website I actually thought they were like vitamins, like cod liver oil type things. This is a heavy component. I wonder if I can scratch this off and use it again later. It smells very plasticky in there, but apparently they're recyclable. That's a lovely little tub though. That's everything I ordered. So I ordered this on the 25th of April and it arrived today on the 7th of May. So it's still taken, you know, 10 days, 2 weeks to arrive to me. In all fairness, we are in the middle of a pandemic and all of the postal services are slow, and let's face it, this is not an essential purchase. So let's look at what I ordered. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through each item that we've got here. I'm going to tell you what Beauty Pie say the product is worth without their membership, so the higher price. We'll see if we can find a comparable product or dupe for that higher price out on the internet. So let's see how it goes. So these double-sided organic cleansing exfoliating cloths, I've just had a quick Google because they don't scream as being a dupe for anything particular. However, the website does say that the typical price is £15. Now, I've just popped this into Google to have a look at what was anywhere near that price. And there's no shout out brand. There's Cloud Cloth cleansing cloths. They're £10.95, and the only other expensive ones are Balmology organic cleansing cloths, and they're £22. So there's nothing particular that it screams has been an actual dupe for. And to be fair, it's hard to find something like this for £15. They're all around a fiver. So considering I paid £6 whatever for this, I do wonder whether that was not a fantastic deal. But I'm not too fussed. I needed some of these and I ordered them regardless of the price. The next item is this super healthy hair repair treatment. Now, interestingly, that's all it says, but when I ordered it, it's called the Super Healthy Hair Elastic Repair Treatment. And this makes me wonder whether it is a dupe for Philip Kingsley and his elasticizer. Just the fact that they throw the word in elastic repair treatment, however, it doesn't say it anywhere on the actual packet. No, it doesn't. Now, if we take a look at the elasticizer on Philip Kingsley's website, the 150ml is £33. However, this is 160ml. So if you do the maths, does that make it £34? I don't know. But either way, I have a tester of the Philip Kingsley, and I also obviously have this, so I can see if they do the same thing. So let's talk about Wonder Scrub. Now this one I paid £7.54 for, so in terms of what I usually spend on skincare, outside of the ordinary, this is actually probably one of the cheaper items that I've got in my cupboard. They say the typical price is £35, and I've had a Google around to see if I can find anything. I mean, the fact that it's called Wonder Scrub initially made me think it was Charlotte Tilbury-esque, but I don't actually believe that, having looked around. Around Google, I'm not the only person trying to find out what these are dupes for, and there's a bit of a belief that this is a bit of a dupe for Remedy Sweep, which is an oldie worldy product but got really great reviews and is about £35 to £40. So that could potentially be where this came from. Next, let's look at our Beauty Pie Superactive Capsules, Hyaluronic Acid and Biopeptide Microspheres. Now, I've had a look around on the internet and I can't find what this may be an absolute dupe for, but there's no denying that they very much look like Elizabeth Arden's capsules. And, you know, they're called line erasing, and the description of this very much sings the same tune as that. So I do wonder, the idea around these is that you just twist off the end and then that is one dose for your face. I'm scared I'm going to pop it because there's no give in it. There's no air in there, just full of product, which is nice. However, if this is how much product we're supposed to use on our face, I am using way too much every day. But it does also say that you need to use sunscreen the following day after you've used this, which is quite interesting because that's normally like a retinol idea, when this is very much hyaluronic acid and biopeptides. But this is probably the thing I'm most excited to use, so I can't wait to use this. And finally, let's just look at the Japan Fusion. Now, this is actually part of a range of theirs, the Japan Fusion range, and the idea is all those items work together. So this was quite interesting to find out what it was potentially a dupe of, and to be honest, I had a look around on the internet and the closest thing I could find was a Shiseido product that has the same top 5 or 6 ingredients, but this has got a relatively long ingredients list, like most of their products. Where's it gone? Relatively long ingredients list. Getting something to match all of these is like quite difficult, and I suppose matching the first 5 or so is not really representative of anything. So finding out what they are dupes for is actually a bit of a bust. Particularly skincare, I think it's a bit easier when you look at some of their makeup items. Like they've got a couple of palettes that just look like Charlotte Tilbury palettes. They've got a couple of small eyeshadow palettes that just look like Bobbi Brown palettes. So sometimes I think that's a bit of a giveaway, and these aren't as easy to match up. But it still just makes me feel uneasy that they're telling me how much this should be, and a tenner makes my £100 and odd order down to £45. Just feels weird, you know. Nothing's ever free. So this is everything I bought and I can't wait to use it all, to be honest. I've got two final thoughts though. First of all, if Beauty Pie's mission is to make skincare affordable for more people, then I do think that the boxes aren't necessary. We don't need them. Yeah, they make it look prettier, and it might only shave a couple of pence off, but it would genuinely work towards that aim. And the only other thing I would say is I'm pleasantly surprised that these aren't just copies repackaged. I actually like to try new things, so it's great that these actually all appear to be brand new products to the market, and I can't wait to try them all. If you have tried any of these products, I'm really interested to know, so please leave that in the comments down below. I might do an updated video when I've actually maybe got enough of an opinion to review some of these products, but for now, that's everything from me. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to join the family and hit like if you liked this video. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.